El chile?
Yeah, chili.
Not too much, okay? I don't like it too spicy.
Too spicy.
What are you going to put? Maybe some carrots, some potatoes?
Pika!
That's an eggplant.
Drop.
Sure.
Got it.
Okay. What else are you going to put inside of it?
This one. Oh, that one. This one.
What are you going to make in there?
Sofa.
What kind of sopa?
This kind of sofa.
Be careful, don't get burned. How much longer is it going to be?
2 minutes.
Okay.
Oh, I need to get rather get burnt.
Okay, careful with the plato so it doesn't get burnt.
It's ready.
It's ready. Okay, I'm ready for my soup.
Okay.
Careful, don't spill it.
Ooh, hot.
Oh, hot, hot. Mmm, cat and frog soup. Mmm, delicious. Would you like some?
No, I need to cook it again.
Okay, my love. Thank you. That was delicious. Thank you. Oh, what is that? Oh, thank you. My napkin, okay, so I don't get burned.
You ready?
It's ready, okay.
Oh,
Be careful, it's hot. Oh no, you dropped my food. No worries.
Sounds like a meal.
Delicious. I like these frog legs. Mmm, delicious. You should try them.
no sense.
Why not?
Because I need to cook it again.
Oh, sure. Thank you.
Remember,
Remember.
get off